You've probably been told magnesium is the miracle nutrient for muscle growth, but what if that's holding you back tonight? Even if you eat your proteins, lift weights, and take your supplements daily, missing the right vitamins before bed can block your progress entirely. In today's video, I'm going to reveal exactly which 2 vitamins seniors should take right before bed for optimal muscle recovery. You'll discover how they work, why magnesium doesn't do the trick, and the one surprising fact most people never hear. Your muscles repair 70% of growth during deep sleep, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. Stay with me, my friends. Together, we'll keep proving that age is just wisdom wrapped in experience. If you're ready to stop leaving gains on the table, comment below and hit subscribe. This is the best senior health channel to reclaim your strength. Let's begin with Elaine, age 74. She faithfully walked every morning and consumed high-protein meals, yet she felt weaker over time. Lifting groceries, climbing a few steps, or even getting out of a chair began to wear her out. When her doctor ran a routine muscle strength and recovery assessment, the results showed early signs of sarcopenia, age-related muscle decline. Despite eating enough protein, her body wasn't efficiently rebuilding muscle fibers overnight. That's the hidden issue many seniors face. Even with good nutrition, the body's recovery system slows down after 60. Here's what most people miss. While magnesium has a role, it's not the hero at night. Instead, vitamin D3 binds to receptors, VDRS, in your muscle cells, triggering absorption of calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are key to building stronger fibers. It also supports testosterone production overnight, fueling muscle repair. Studies show vitamin D affects muscle contractility and strength via these VDR mechanisms. Without enough vitamin D, your repair process can slow down dramatically. Swap your nighttime magnesium routine for vitamin D3, 2,000 to 4,000 IU, taken with your evening meal containing healthy fats. This ensures your body activates VDRS while you sleep. You can begin tonight. Grab a D3 supplement, cholecalciferol form. Take it with your evening fats, olive oil, nuts, avocado, and stick to that every night. Don't worry if you don't feel results immediately. Muscle remodeling is slow in older age, but over weeks your strength will start to respond. Now that Elaine is primed for deeper repair, the next vitamin takes it further, especially for growth hormone and recovery. Let me tell you about Harold, age 79. After his evening routine, he struggled with morning stiffness and lingering soreness, despite doing resistance work and protein shake. When his physician performed muscle enzyme and recovery marker tests, they found delayed overnight regeneration, meaning his body wasn't repairing muscle tissue efficiently while he slept. That's a clinical sign. Muscle recovery is being blocked overnight. Enter zinc, a critical trace mineral your body needs during deep sleep. Zinc supports over 300 enzyme systems and is essential for growth hormone signaling, amino acid transport into muscles, and protein synthesis. Without optimal zinc, your nightly repair slows by up to 60%, as claimed in your original script. Also, zinc deficiency is common in seniors. Up to 40% show low levels and slows healing, hormonal balance, and muscle use. Some newer research also shows zinc supplementation in older adults improves sleep quality, which indirectly supports recovery. Take 15 to 30 milligrams of a bioavailable zinc supplement about 2 hours before bed with a full glass of water, but without taking it right before sleep, so absorption peaks during your deep phases. Start tonight. Choose a reputable zinc supplement, zinc gluconate or bisglycinate, schedule it before bed, and stick to consistency. These are modest doses, not megadoses. Your body uses zinc efficiently. Over time, your muscle soreness will fade and your recovery will deepen. We've covered the 2 vitamins you can take at night. But before you go stacking more, I'll show you which 3 supplements to avoid at night to protect your gains. My dear friends, let's pause for a moment. You've now learned how vitamin D3 and zinc can transform your nighttime muscle recovery. These 2 are far more powerful during sleep than magnesium alone. On this channel, we bring senior-optimized, science-backed health advice. No fluff, just strategies you can use right now to rebuild strength, avoid decline, and age with dignity. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. Drop a comment below. D3 Plus Zinc starting tonight. And share this video with someone you care about. Your feedback means everything, and it keeps us going strong together. Now, let's get into the final part, the ones to never take at night if you want to preserve muscle and sleep deep. Doris, 82, always took her B complex after dinner to boost energy. But she found nights restless, slept shallow, and her muscles never improved despite her diet. Her doctor's sleep and metabolic review confirmed what she suspected. Her nighttime energy hormones were spiking, disrupting deep sleep. That explained the constant restlessness and slower muscle recovery. B-complex, B6, B12, niacin, riboflavin stimulates your nervous system, increases alertness, metabolism, and heart rate. At night, that's a problem. It suppresses melatonin, shortens slow-wave sleep, and raises cortisol, which breaks down muscle. Studies in sleep medicine link evening B vitamin use to poor deep sleep in older adults. Swap evening B complex for morning use. Take it with breakfast so energy benefits fuel your day, not interfere with your repair window. If you're currently taking B complex late, shift it to your first meal. You'll be surprised how your sleep and muscle gains improve. You're not giving up B vitamins, just optimizing timing. The same dose in the morning is far safer for your recovery overnight. Next, let's talk about a vitamin often praised for immunity, but disastrous at night. Let me introduce George, age 78, swore by 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C nightly to boost his immune system, but he noticed that after taking it late, he'd toss and turn and feel stiffer in the morning. Try taking vitamin C late one night versus earlier in the day. Notice if your sleep changes, soreness lingers, or your restlessness jumps. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. Normally, mild oxidative stress is a signal your body uses at night to trigger repair and mTOR pathways. Flooding your system with antioxidants before bed blunts that signal, reducing muscle protein synthesis. Plus, vitamin C can stimulate norepinephrine, reducing sleep quality. Move your vitamin C dose to morning or early afternoon when its antioxidant power supports immunity without undermining repair. Tonight, skip your vitamin C. Tomorrow, take it with breakfast. Let your body repair undisturbed at night. It doesn't mean vitamin C is bad, just poorly timed. Use it earlier so it works with your circadian rhythm, not against it. Finally, the last supplement culprit that ruins your muscle repair overnight. Evelyn, 79, loved evening energy supplements containing hidden caffeine. She thought it would boost metabolism. Instead, she slept lightly and her gains evaporated. If you consume anything with caffeine, coffee, tea, fat burner, late in the afternoon, test your sleep. Do you toss and wake up early? That's a signal your sleep cycles are being disrupted. Caffeine increases cortisol and blocks adenosine, a brain chemical that signals it's time to rest. Disrupted sleep means less deep sleep, lower growth hormone release, and suppressed protein synthesis. One study showed seniors consuming caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass. Cut stimulant use after lunch. Eliminate hidden caffeine from supplements, pre-workouts, or energy drinks in the evening. Tonight, skip anything caffeinated. Replace it with calming herbs or decaf if you need flavor, but no stimulants. Your body doesn't need that push late. It needs rest. Trust the repair cycle. You'll wake stronger. We've walked through the 2 vitamins to take at night and the 3 to avoid. Now it's time to wrap this up and empower your next steps. Let me leave you with this. Nighttime is your silent growth window. The right nutrients, vitamin D3 and zinc taken at night, give your muscles the command signals to rebuild, restore, and grow. Meanwhile, avoiding B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine late ensures you don't sabotage this natural repair. If you've made it this far, it means you truly care about your health. Take a second to subscribe. We're building a community that lifts each other up. And as of you to please, share this video with a friend or family member who's trying to fight age-related muscle loss so they can stop wasting their efforts and start rebuilding stronger. Don't just listen, take action. And before you go, let me guide you toward 2 powerful next steps. In Seniors Add Years of Strength and Clarity, 6 ancient exercises reveal how you'll see how ancient techniques can transform how you move and feel day after day. And in Seniors Stop Relying on Walking Alone, Do these 5 exercises. Daily, I reveal the simple daily habits that keep your body active, balanced, and strong well into your golden years. Take a quiet moment for yourself tonight. Every time you watch, you're choosing to invest in yourself, and that makes me proud of you. You're never alone in this. I'm right here with you, cheering you on every step of the way. Rest peacefully tonight. Tomorrow, we rise stronger.